To help show how this works, we'll go back to our concrete blocks and golf tees. If we set this block down on 4 golf tees, we find that the tees will hold the block because they are sitting in good hard soil. On the other hand, if we try the same thing with these other golf tees, they don't hold the block at all. What could be the difference? Well, of course, it's the soil. One kind is harder than the other. The hard soil is holding the block nicely, but what is needed to make the soft soil do the same job? We have 2 choices here. Number 1, we can increase the number of tees, or number 2, somehow make the tees hold more weight. Let's try the first option. There. It certainly took a lot of golf tees, but now the number 2 block is just as stable as the first one. Under the I-beams of a house, you can do the same thing by putting the supports closer together, thereby having more of them to help hold up the home. The second option was to make the 4 tees hold more. We can't change the soil very easily, but we can increase the holding power of each tee by putting a small pad under each one. So we are covering more of the soil. That should work. As you can see, we set the tees in little pieces of wood, and now they hold the block. We do the same thing when we put footings under the piers of a home. The correct size of the little wooden pads was discovered by trial and error. We tried several before we found the right size. This is not what we want to do with a home. You need a way to get information before you set the home, so that when you put the supports in, they will do the job of holding the home permanently.